This Dell OptiPlex is an absolute monster. 64GB RAM? 4TB SSD? Why though? You ever just want to yeet your computer out the window? Yeah, same. You're over here trying to meet that deadline, and your dusty old desktop's freezing up like it saw a ghost. Apps crashing. Tabs lagging. You're juggling Zoom, Excel, and 42 browser tabs like it's a circus, and your PC's wheezing in the corner like it just ran a marathon. The frustration? Real. The productivity? Ghosted. And motivation? Packed up and left. Sound familiar? That's the burnout spiral no one warns you about, until you're in it, staring at that spinning wheel of doom. It's time to break free. Now crank the pressure up to 11. Deadlines are exploding in your face, your team's breathing down your neck, your coffee's gone cold, and your machine still hasn't booted. Every lag spike feels like a personal betrayal. You're losing files, losing steam, losing your mind. Meanwhile, your competitors? Crushing it. With better tools. Better setups. Better everything. You know deep down that if the system doesn't upgrade ASAP, neither will you. Missed emails. Missed chances. Missed paychecks. Welcome to the productivity graveyard. Unless. Enter the Dell OptiPlex 7020 Plus Tower. This bad boy doesn't just walk into the room, it body slams your bottlenecks. 64GB of DDR5 RAM? Check. 4TB PCIe SSD? Yes sir. 20-core Intel i7-14700 processor that hits 5.4 GHz? Don't play. You want fast? You got lightspeed multitasking. Need secure? Welcome to Windows 11 Pro with enterprise-level lockdown. And with triple DisplayPort outputs, you're not just working, you're commanding at command center. This isn't a computer. It's a productivity nuke in a sleek tower. Plug it in and feel the stress melt. Let's talk perks, shall we? Smooth multitasking. Insanely fast boot ups. Crystal clear graphics. Toolless upgrades. Gigabit Ethernet for lightning downloads. USB ports for days. You're not just buying a PC, you're upgrading your workflow, your mind space, your life. It's the system you should have had last year, but now it's calling your name. And if you're thinking, but I don't need all that power, oh, sweet summer child, yes, you do. Hit that link, dive into the specs, and imagine a reality where your tech doesn't slow you down, it propels you. Don't wait till your current desktop gaslights you again. Join thousands who've already made the leap and ditched their productivity anchors. This isn't hype, it's your new reality if you're bold enough to claim it. Inventory's tight. Demand's climbing. And let's be real, there's always an excuse to not upgrade, until you miss your next opportunity. So stop making excuses. Start making moves. Click now, lock it in, and tell burnout to go kick rocks. Your future self will be screaming thank you.